Welcome to the Technology and Energy panel of ISH Digital 2021. We've invited two experts from the heating industry into the studio today. The topic is wood energy in the heating market. It currently accounts for 5% of German energy consumption and is CO2 neutral. This means that wood contributes an amount of renewable energy that is comparable to wind power. The title of our program today is Wood, the Great Renewable Energy, Efficient Wood Heating for the Energy Mix of the Future. My guests in the studio today, Christiane Wodtke, welcome. You are president of the German House Heating and Kitchen Technology Industry Association, HKI. And Andreas Lücke, welcome. You are managing director of the Federation of German Heating Industry, BDH. Mr. Lücke, as managing director of the BDH, you represent, among others, the manufacturers of efficient and clean wood heating and flue gas technology systems. You are also the coordinator of the Wood Heating Initiative. Why does wood heating play such an important role in climate protection policy? First of all, Mrs. Evert, we've actually succeeded in forming a very strong alliance from many associations that has set itself the task of objectivizing the discussion on wood energy. But we also want to serve the goals set by the European Commission's Green Deal, namely to achieve at least 55% CO2 reduction by 2030 and to create a climate-neutral continent by 2050. This is not possible without the consistent and responsible use of wood energy. The objectives cannot be achieved. We have a total of 120 terawatt-hours of wood energy in Germany. That's almost as much as wind energy contributes. And we can use this sustainably while protecting the forests with the technologies we offer. Mrs. Wodtke, you run a medium-sized business in Baden-Württemberg and at the same time you're president of the HKI, the Industry Association for Single-Room Furnaces, and you advocate the use of the largest renewable energy source in the heating market, wood heating. What are the advantages? What are the potentials that wood heating offers? Well, here are some numbers to demonstrate this. At 11 million hectares, German forests account for about 1/3 of the total area of our country. Wood resources are growing by 1 to 3% a year, although wood is used as a sustainable building material in the paper industry and, of course, for wood heating. This renewable resource, and this is very important, reduces CO2 emissions by 50 million tons and replaces fossil fuels. And as I said, without the efficient and sustainable use of the largest renewable energy source, wood, the targets of the Green Deal can't be achieved. Heating with the fuel wood and wood pellets, which are almost CO2 neutral, is environmental protection in practice. It's ecologically and economically sensible and offers a unique, feel-good warmth.
Die Ziele des Green Deals nicht zu erreichen. Ich sage immer, das Heizen mit dem nahezu CO2-neutralen Brennstoff Holz und Holzpellets ist praktizierter Umweltschutz. Ökologisch und ökonomisch sinnvoll, die Wohlfühlwärme einzigartig.
Mrs. Wodtke, what technological solutions does the German industry offer for the sustainable, efficient and clean use of wood heating? The industry has put a great deal of research and development into creating optimized solutions for heating with wood and wood pellets as a fuel. First, the combustion efficiency has been increased to 85% or more compared to old stoves, old fireplaces and old wood-fired boilers. And second, emissions, especially particulate emissions, are reduced by more than 90% through innovative solutions and developments, such as controlled fresh air supply, closed and sealed combustion chambers, and separation technology.
insbesondere die Feinstaubemissionen mehr als 90% reduziert.
Mr. Lücke, what needs to change in the political framework in order to achieve the ambitious targets of the Wood Heating Initiative? The majority of politicians, and in particular the Federal Minister for Economy, as well as his State Secretary, have long since recognized without reservation that wood energy has an important contribution to make. It's a domestic raw material and, as Mrs. Wodke said, it can be used cleanly and efficiently these days. Recognizing this potential, they launched the Heating with Renewable Energies funding last year. Among other things, it promotes the use of wood-fired central heating boilers. Very considerable subsidies of up to 45% of the investment sum are granted for the replacement of old boilers that burn fossil fuels. This led to a significant increase in wood boiler sales in 2020. We had 10 years of stagnation or decline in this important technology. Now it's up and running again, and that's why the #1 demand on politicians, to which they are responding positively, is to consistently continue the funding. But this also includes recognizing the technological achievements of companies such as the one run by Mrs. Wodke. That is, increasing efficiency and reducing emissions, among other things. We'd like that to be acknowledged as well. On that note, we'll be presenting all this at the ISH. That's precisely the theme, and we're looking forward to it. And we've come to the end of the program. Thank you, Mrs. Wodke. Thank you, Mr. Lücke, for being our guests in the studio today. We've seen that without the consistent use of Germany's largest renewable energy source, wood, it will be difficult to achieve the climate targets in the heating market. Enjoy your stay at ISH Digital 2021.